The new Taycan comes equipped with ScreenHits. ScreenHits allows you to watch your streaming services both here in the PCM and, if you have optionally equipped, the passenger screen. To set up ScreenHits, you simply find the icon that says video and select it. To start the process, just select right on the ScreenHits TV logo. Now it's going to ask you if you'd like to remain logged in. Unless you want to re-enter your username and password every time you log in, we suggest for you to remain logged in. To use ScreenHits TV on your Taycan, you'll need an active ScreenHits account. You'll also need active accounts on any of the streaming services you would like to view. On your mobile device, you'll select the camera icon and hold it over the QR code. After that, select the link at the bottom. Now you'll enter your account information on your mobile device. ScreenHits TV is now ready for viewing in your car. Here you can see your account pop up on ScreenHits TV. You can configure new profiles as well at this location. Now you're logged into ScreenHits. To continue, you'll need to log into your streaming services. For the purpose of this video, we'll select Disney+. Select Login. Enter email. Password. And then select Login. Here you can see all of Disney Plus is available for you to stream inside your vehicle. You now have ScreenHits set up on your new Taycan. You can watch ScreenHits here in the main PCM display, but you can also enjoy ScreenHits on the passenger screen as well. With the purchase of a new Taycan, you get 3 years of free ScreenHits. This voucher can be redeemed through the My Porsche app. To activate the voucher in your My Porsche app, you'll select from the main screen, Details, Functions, scroll down to the banner that says PCM Services. Now select the icon that says ScreenHits TV, and here you can see that this voucher has been redeemed.